In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt website using ChatGPT 5 in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you want to start a t-shirt business faster without getting stuck on ideas, designs, or website planning, this method is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of guessing what to build, you can use one smart prompt to generate the structure for your business, your product ideas, and even a simple e-commerce layout that you can upload to WordPress or Shopify. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and website tutorials. Let's get into it. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Once you're in ChatGPT 5, you want to use one focused prompt that tells it exactly what you need. This is the prompt you should type in. Create a complete t-shirt business, including niche ideas, design ideas, and a simple e-commerce website layout with product pages and pricing. That one prompt is powerful because it gives ChatGPT enough direction to help you build the foundation of your brand while still keeping everything simple and easy to use. After you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a full business concept for you. It should give you niche ideas so you can choose a t-shirt audience like fitness, pets, gamers, teachers, or motivational apparel. It can also suggest design ideas, which helps you figure out what kind of graphics, slogans, or styles to put on your shirts. And on top of that, it can outline a simple e-commerce website layout so you know what pages you need, what sections to include, and how to present your products in a clean way. Now comes the important part. Review the output and pick the niche that fits your goals best. If you want something broad, choose a general lifestyle or quote-based t-shirt brand. If you want something more targeted, choose a specific niche with a clear audience. The more focused your niche is, the easier it is to create designs, write product descriptions, and market your store later. This is where ChatGPT really helps because it can quickly give you ideas you might not think of on your own. Next, look through the design ideas and choose the ones that are easiest to turn into real products. You don't need dozens of designs to start. A few strong ideas are usually enough for a first launch. You can also ask ChatGPT to refine the designs, make them more trendy, or adapt them for a specific customer type. For example, you can ask for funny designs, minimalist designs, vintage styles, or bold typography styles depending on your brand. After that, use the website layout ChatGPT gives you as your blueprint. A basic t-shirt website should include a homepage, product pages, an about page, a contact page, and a simple checkout flow. Your homepage should clearly explain what your brand is about. Your product pages should show the shirt name, price, size options, description, and a clear buy button. Keep the layout clean and easy to navigate so customers can find what they want quickly. Once you have the content ready, copy everything you need and move to your website platform. You can upload it on WordPress or Shopify depending on the platform you prefer. If you want more control over design and plugins, WordPress can be a great choice. If you want a faster setup for selling products, Shopify is often the simplest option. Either way, you can use the structure ChatGPT created to build your store much faster than starting from scratch. Then add your products, upload your designs, set your prices, and make sure your store looks polished. Check that your product images are clear, your descriptions are easy to read, and your checkout process works properly. Before launching, test everything on mobile too, because a lot of shoppers will visit your site from their phones. Once everything is ready, you can launch your t-shirt website and start promoting it. So, the full process is really simple. Open ChatGPT, enter one powerful prompt, copy the niche ideas, design ideas, and website layout, then upload everything into WordPress or Shopify, add your products, and launch. This is one of the easiest ways to start a t-shirt business with AI, especially if you want to move fast and avoid overwhelm. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AI business tips and step-by-step website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.